We want to simplify these algebraic fractions. Considering the first one, we have a times b divided by a. And in this situation, we can cancel the a's, giving 1 times b, or b, over 1, which is just b. However, in this situation, we cannot just cancel the a's, although it is a common mistake that pupils make. To consider why, look at a similar example with numbers. If we have 4 plus 8 divided by 4, so we have 4's in the same place as the a's in our fraction, then this would give us 12 divided by 4, which is 3. But if we did the example again and cancelled the 4's, this would be 1 plus 8, which is 9. That's incorrect, so we can see in this situation we can't just cancel the 4's. Therefore we can't cancel the a's here. The only thing we could do to simplify is something like the following, and split the fraction into a over a plus b over a. A divided by a is of course 1, so it's 1 plus b over a. But it's then a matter of your own judgment as to whether the expression we started with or the final expression is actually the simpler.